Hello, I'm here at ISE in Barcelona today. My name is Jeroen Brands. I'm a Global Product Director for the Philips LED displays. And of course, we're here in the Philips booth at the ISE. And today we show here a new generation of outdoor LED displays. It is the first year that we launched LED displays like last ISE. We have now extended our range, so we have 6000 series with large format displays with pixel pitches going from 6.6, 8 point something, and P10. And further, we have a new series, 7000 series, with cabinets of 50 by 50 and 50 by 1 meter, where you can have a smaller pixel pitch for smaller venues for outdoor displays. Very high brightness. Brightness going up from 5000 up to 10,000 nits. We have different solutions with gold wire and copper wire LEDs. And also we have, of course, our urban sports perimeter displays, new 5000 series. And one of the places where this will be installed is here together in Barcelona, the new Nou Camp Stadium of FC Barcelona here in Spain. So here above our booth, we show our new 7000 series and also in our Wall of Fame. So please come to ISE booth 3P500 or go to our website ppds.com.